In this video, we're going to look at an example of using partial fractions, but after we've done polynomial long division on the integrand. So we're being asked to evaluate the integral from 0 to 1 of x cubed minus 4x minus 10 over x squared minus x minus 6. We note that this rational function is not proper because the degree of the numerator is 3, while the degree of the denominator is 2. In order to apply our partial fractions decomposition, we first need to find a proper rational function to split it up. All right, so we'll divide numerator by denominator. So here, going through the polynomial long division, you should get x plus 1 for the quotient and 3x minus 4 for the remainder. So that means we can rewrite the integrand as x plus 1 plus 3x minus 4 over x minus 3 times x plus 2. This is the denominator factored. So now we'll put the partial fraction decomposition on the remainder portion here. We have distinct linear factors, so the partial fraction decomposition looks like a constant over x minus 3 plus some other constant over x plus 2. Multiply both sides by x minus 3 times x plus 2 to clear the fractions. And now we can determine what a and b are by picking good values for x. So one good value for x would be 3 because it kills off the b term here. So we plug in x equal to 3. We get 9 minus 4 is 5, and then equals 5a. And so our a will be 1. Put in negative 2. That's another good value for x to plug in. We get negative 6 minus 4 is negative 10, and we get a negative 5b on the right-hand side, so b is 2. So substituting our partial fraction decomposition into the integrand, we get the integral from 0 to 1 of x plus 1 over x minus 3 plus 2 over x plus 2. Antiderivative here, we'll get a 1/2 x squared for the x, just an x for the 1. Natural log of x minus 3 for the 1 over x minus 3, and a 2 times natural log of x plus 2 for the 2 over x plus 2. We need to evaluate this at the endpoint, so we plug those values in for x and simplify, and we get a final answer of 3/2 plus natural log of 3/2.